So now that we've done our tool setups and we've simulated everything to make sure they work, we'll go ahead and post out the G code to the machine. We can select this Actions tab and Post Process. So I failed to select the setup that I wanted to post out. So I'm going to close this out. And I need to post it out in the order that I'm going to cut everything. So I'll select setup 1, and within setup 1, we're going to be cutting both of these operations at the same time. So I want to select those two, and I want to go ahead and post those two out. Now in here, I'm using, in the configuration folder, I'm using Cloud Posts, and it has, within my Cloud Posts, I have 3 different post processors. Now, the post processor is what converts the Fusion code that we're seeing into G code that the machine will operate on. And to acquire these post processors, we can come down here to the search for posts in Autodesk, select that, and we can find our post by searching. So we have a ShopBot router, and it brings up our ShopBot post, so we can download it. And then we'll go ahead and close this out. Oops. So if we open up our data panel and we navigate all the way back to the beginning, we have an assets folder. Double click on that. We have a folder that houses our CAM posts. So we can view and download new posts by selecting this Assets tab. It'll open up our Assets folder in the web browser. And we can go into it. And now we can upload that post that we just downloaded. I've already downloaded them, so I'm going to cancel that. And so here I can see also the 3 posts that I have. Easel is the operating system for the X-Carve machine. And the Mach 3 is for our plasma cutter in the back corner of the shop. So once I've downloaded these, they should show up. I'll close this data panel. They should show up in our post processor tab in this drop down here. So I'm gonna post this out to the ShopBot. Now I can also choose what file to post to. In this instance, I'm dropping it into an NC files folder that I created. You can drop it wherever it makes the most sense to you. We can name the program. So this is going to be setup 1, bottom side machining, or bottom face machining. And we'll say post. It drops it into our folder here. Just save it. And now in that folder, I'll navigate to it, my NC files folder. I can double click on this, open it up, and it shows me the G code. You don't really need to be an expert in reading G code, but if you really want to, you can study this, and each of these commands is a machine command that will control the machine. I'll go ahead and close that out. So at this point, we have the G code operating post, and we're ready to run this on the machine. In the next video, we'll look at running running the G code on the machine for the ShopBot and for the Xcarve.